Welcome to our channel. If you want to request a refund for a game you purchased on Steam, follow these step-by-step instructions to return your purchase within the eligible time frame. Step 1. Understand Steam's refund policy. You can request a refund for any game within 14 days of purchase if you have played it for less than 2 hours. Some exceptions apply. Step 2. Open the Steam client on your computer or go to store.steampowered.com in your web browser and log in to your Steam account. Step 3. Click on your username in the top right corner and select Account Details from the drop-down menu. Step 4. In your Account Details page, find and click on Purchase History or View Purchase History to see all your recent transactions. Step 5. Locate the game you want to refund in your purchase history. Each purchase will have a menu or options button next to it. Step 6. Click on the game and select Request a Refund or I would like a refund option. This will take you to the refund request form. Step 7. Choose the reason for your refund from the drop-down menu. Options include Not What I Expected, Purchased by Accident, or Technical Issues. You can also add optional details. Step 8. Select where you want the refund sent. You can choose to refund to your Steam wallet for immediate use or to your original payment method. Submit your refund request. Steam will review your request and you will receive an email within a few days with their decision. Most refunds are approved if you meet the eligibility criteria. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.